Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a cinematic technique that is going to up the quality of your productions. Regardless of if you're using an iPhone, regardless of if you're using an Arri Alexa or what kind of camera that you're using to shoot your video. Let me jump straight into this. What am I talking about here? Using foreground elements, or at least dividing your scene into various areas, which is by having a foreground, a midground, and a background. If you approach all your shooting this way, trust me, you are going to up the quality of your productions. And specifically when it comes to your camera movement, having things which are closer to the camera or having foreground elements are really very key. Now, this video you are seeing on your screen right now, as you can see, the camera is just wishing forward, moving towards the woman and the kid sitting there right in front of the hut. This same shot would never had looked cinematic or would not look the way it is if we didn't have this tree right in front here with these bottles hanging there. In composing this shot, we intentionally had this foreground elements there because without them, it's going to look empty in terms of the camera movement. So we can end up pushing the camera from point A to point B, even if it's like 100 meters. Without this tree and the bottles in front, it isn't going to show. However, just by having those foreground elements, you can simply just move the camera a tad bit and the movement is actually really exaggerated, or it looks very large. And trust me, movement is everything, and that is one thing that sets photography and videography apart. Hence, cinematographers are always on the quest to keep their cameras on the move, especially in action scenes, or cinematographers who just want to bring extra life into their images. Movement is golden, movement is everything. So don't throw away your movement, don't waste your movement. Make sure to always use foreground elements in your shots. And I know someone out there is asking, how about if I get somewhere where there are no foreground elements? That is where, guys, you need to get very creative. Everywhere you go, there are dozens and dozens of opportunities of getting foreground elements. Sometimes I don't mind just faking it by bringing in certain things which are not there in real life, but just to help enhance the scene. Now, just to let the cat out of the bag, the bottles and the clothes hanging there were not actually there in real life. We actually kept that there to add life to the whole image. So you get what I'm saying? So you can get somewhere, let's say you're shooting a bar scene, you can place some bottles in front, or generally just get creative, bring in certain things, and trust me, just by doing that simple thing, you are going to be upping the quality of your production without buying a new camera, without buying a new drone, without spending a dime, but just by using this particular technique. If you do have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below, or you can also link me up on Instagram at OBL_Junior. If you're just discovering this video, this is the Africa Amaze channel where we talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If this sounds interesting, then please do me a favor. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button. And as you can see, I'm still under medication. I broke my arm. You can click here to watch that video to understand how come I have this on my hand. Before I leave you, if you do want to learn all about being able to bend natural light in your videos without spending a dime on light, click here to watch that video. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep practicing filmmaking. Ouch! I keep forgetting. Peace out.